Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to exceptional. In this video, I'm going to share a family heirloom recipe, my mom's slow-cooked ribs. All you need to make this is a rack of ribs and barbecue sauce. You can make your own sauce, but I typically go with just a sweet baby Ray. Today, I'm making a rack of baby back pork ribs, but I have used this recipe for all rib types. It still works, it's just a slow cook. Lay a rack of ribs on tin foil, and then you're going to pat both sides dry with paper towels. You just want to get rid of some excess moisture. It's not absolutely necessary. It's just something I kind of do with all meats and fish and chicken. And I pat everything dry. I probably don't need to do it, but it's just a habit at this point. Most people tell you tear off the membrane, but this is a low and slow cooking method. I actually keep the membrane on because it helps to keep the meat intact to the bone throughout the cook. It's still tender enough where it's basically fall off the bone ribs, but that membrane keeps it together. No salt, no pepper, no seasoning needed. I know it's crazy. Pork fat is delicious enough, especially when it winds up soaking the whole rack of ribs through during the cook. Now, you're going to want to double up on the tin foil because it's going to have a lot of fat liquid when it's done cooking. Set that in the oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook this for 2 hours. Now, you can choose to skip this last step, but my mom swears by it. If it's warm enough for the grill, lay on some of the barbecue sauce on the ribs and put them on the grill for 2 minutes, top side facing down. Or switch the oven from bake to broil on high and sit that in there for 2 to 5 minutes. This finishing touch gives it a nice char sear. If you tried this recipe, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Or if you tweaked it, I'd be interested to know how you changed things up. I'm always open for new ideas and new ways to prepare food. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it and hope you have a great day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!